She probably needs a little more, doesn't she? Good job. Is that enough? Are you going to feed Oscar now? I think Marley has enough.
I don't care. I don't care.
Okay, how about Oscar now?
Yay.
Oscars?
Good job. You going to get Oscar's food?
I got my husband's vitamins.
Or you got Marley's vitamins?
Oscar. Oscar.
You need to get some food for
You
him
need the food first. You get Oscar's food?
Chocolate, coffee.
You want me to carry it? Okay.
Oh, I got vitamins.
You got the vitamins?
I got Oscars.
You got a scoop? You gonna put some food in for him?